Hello and good afternoon. So I have a package. I've also got another package, but I can't open this one because it's not for me. I've ordered it for someone else. I hope they like it. So let's get on to opening it. Let's do an unbox. So this is my box. Oh, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, this is from Williams Jewellery. Oh. Oh, isn't that lovely? That tells you it's one box. Means I get 20. As you can see, by having this, they actually gave me this. Oh, they are so sweet. So, let's have a look. So, we have, sorry, got a bit of a chest infection. So, we've got some turtles. Look at those, they're so cute. We've got some turquoise. Oh my god! Look, they're skulls. They are actually skulls. Look how shiny that is. And then we've got another one. Oh my god, I love the small ones as well, because that means you can actually stack.
I didn't think that you'd be allowed.
Then
I haven't been convicted, no.
Got another rose quartz. Oh my god, look. A chakra one. A body chakra. I've got another one, a Ventura. Look at that one, that's beautiful. And these here, green emerald. And obviously a different one. Look at that. Labradorite. It's iridescent. Another pink one. They're beautiful. So, this is my whole collection. We've got some skull ones. We've got some turtle ones. What a beautiful collection. And we got that lovely message.